Welcome to the 2022 CSBG Scholarship Application and Overview. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for the 2022 CSBG Scholarship, you must be a current City of Chicago resident and validate your residency with supporting documentation. You will need to have an email address to apply. If you do not have an email address, you will need to create one before applying. You must be within the income guidelines and validate your income with supporting documentation. You must be enrolled as a full-time student in an Illinois educational institution for the fall of 2022. You must provide an official educational institution transcript to validate your full-time fall enrollment for 2022. Income guidelines for July 2022. Gross annual and gross 1 month maximum income levels are: for a household size of 1, $2,265. For a household size of 2, $3,052. Household size of 3, $3,838. Household size of 4, $4,625. Household size of 5, $5,412. Household size of 6, $6,198. Household size of 7, $6,985. Household size of 8, $7,772. Maximum annual income and maximum 1 month income are increased by $9,440 and $787, respectively, for each additional family member. Scholarship information. Scholarship can only be used for the fall semester or quarter of 2022. The scholarship may be used for tuition costs, fees, books, purchase of uniforms, or other costs directly related to education and/or training. The scholarship award will be sent directly to your school. Award amounts range from $1,000 to $5,000. Scholarship awards is based on total points received by application and on need of applicant not met through other grants or scholarships. Applicants will be notified by email in October 2022. Basis of scholarship award: total points in 3 application areas. Area 1 is application completeness. The applicant submitting official transcripts, financial aid letter or explanation, proof of student enrollment or explanation, letter of recommendation, and signatures. Also submitting all household and/or family members, Social Security cards or affidavits, Illinois state ID, driver's license, city key card or affidavit, and signatures. Area 2, grade point average or GED test scores. Area 3, personal essay. Application completeness, submittal of required documents, eligibility documentation, household information, proof of income, check stubs, unemployment receipts, Social Security cards, SSDI, SSI, and etc. No income or no proof of income affidavits for all family members 18 years of age and older, or for those younger than 18 years of age receiving a sustainable income such as SSI for a medical condition. No income affidavits must include a letter indicating means of financial support. Proof of residency for the City of Chicago. Copies of Illinois state ID, driver's license, city key card, or affidavit for all household family members. Copies of Social Security cards for all household and family members. This includes infants and children. Application of completeness, submittal of required documents, eligibility documentation, release of information, official transcript and/or proof of enrollment, transcript with GPA or GED with test scores, essay, letter of recommendation, financial aid letter, or ineligibility statement. Remember, official transcripts must be mailed or delivered and post-dated on or before August 26th of 2022. Student characteristics. Check appropriate boxes for demographic information. If disabled, specify disability. If a veteran, specify. Use code for race. Copies of Social Security card or affidavit. Copies of Illinois State ID, Illinois driver's license, city key card, or affidavit. Affidavits must be signed and have matching signature dates. Under educational level, use current grade or level of education completed. Identify course of study. Family and household members information. Document all household and family members. Identify relationship to student. Check appropriate boxes for demographic information. If disabled, specify disability. Use code for race. Copies of Social Security cards for all household and family members. This includes children and infants. Copies of Illinois State ID, driver's license, city key card, or affidavit for all household and family members. Affidavits for all household and family members 18 years of age or older without identification, or for everyone without a Social Security card. Affidavits must be signed and have matching signature dates. Application completeness, submittal of required documents, household and family members' income. Include the gross dollar amounts for income sources for all family members that were received between July 1st, 2022 through July 31st of 2022. Proof of income, payroll, check receipts, unemployment receipts, Social Security, SSDI, SSI, and etc. No income and/or no proof of income affidavits for all family members 18 years of age and older, and for those younger than 18 years of age receiving a sustainable income such as SSI for a medical condition. Include a letter indicating means of financial support for those that are submitting a no income affidavit. Official transcript. Official transcript must be sealed in an envelope by the school. No unofficial transcripts, copies, pictures, or screenshots will be accepted. Transcripts requires current GPA. GED requires test scores. Remember, official transcripts must be mailed, delivered, and post-dated on or before August 26, 2022. Official transcripts can be mailed to Chicago, Department of Family and Support Services, 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. Attention, Delina Bailey. 1615 West Chicago Avenue, 2nd floor, Chicago, Illinois, 60622. One personal essay must be submitted, 300 words minimum. This is about you, your thoughts, opinions, insights, aspirations in the past, present, or the future. Carefully read and consider topics provided. Select the topic of your choice. Indicate choice of topic by checking the appropriate box. Review for errors, grammar, spelling, typos. Read aloud. Does it flow correctly? Is a word or thought missing? One personal essay continued. Evaluation of essays. Essays are evaluated based on effective introduction and conclusion. Is the topic discussed or described adequately, and the importance, influence, or impact is evident? Points of views, examples, reasons, and evidence. Focus and organize. Logical progression of ideals. Does it make sense? One personal essay continued. Essay topics are: what traits do you possess that will enhance your education or future career? Pick an experience from your own life and explain how it has influenced your development. How have you contributed to your community? Tell us about a time where you stepped up as a leader. What are your academic and/or professional goals? Letter of recommendation. Who to ask? Someone you respect. Someone from your school, work, extracurricular activity, church, or house of worship activity. Elements of the letter must include: be on a letterhead, the author's name, title, phone number, and signed. Identify how the person knows you and nature of that relationship, the duration of your relationship, and provides honest evaluation of skills and accomplishments. Application completeness, submittal of required documents. Application completeness, submitting the applicant's official transcripts, financial aid letter or explanation, proof of student enrollment or explanation, letter of recommendation, signatures, all household and family members' Social Security cards or affidavits, Illinois state ID, driver's license, city key cards or affidavits, and signatures. Grade point average, GED test scores. Personal essay. Common mistakes: submitting incomplete, no income, no proof of income affidavits. Indicate $0 for no income for the month of July. Indicate the dollar amount for no proof of income for the month of July. Include the letter indicating means of financial support when submitting a no income affidavit. Family and household members' information. Include signature and witness signatures with the same date. Missing no identification affidavit. Missing parent and/or guardian signatures. Incorrect postage, return to sender. Remember, official transcripts must be mailed and post-dated on or before August 26, 2022. Submittal to the City of Chicago. Applications are due no later than 11:59 p.m. Friday, August 26. Remember, official transcripts must be mailed, delivered, and post-dated on or before August 26, 2022. Chicago Department of Family and Sport Services, 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. Attention, Delina Bailey. 1615 West Chicago Avenue, second floor, Chicago, Illinois, 60622. If you have questions, please email dfssscSBG-scholarship@cityofchicago.org. And now we will go to the CSBG Scholarship Application Portal to review a sample application. To begin your application, you will go to the CSBG Scholarship Information web page. Click here to apply for the CSBG Scholarship. For first-time users, you will begin here to start an application. For returning users, you will begin here to return to your application and finish. You may be able to stop at any time and return back to complete an application, but remember to submit your application by 11:59, August 26, 2022. At the start of the application, again, verify you are a current City of Chicago resident, and you're able to validate your residency with supporting documentation. You will need to have an email address to apply. If you do not have an email address, you will need to create one before applying. You must be within the income guidelines and validate your income with supporting documentation. You must be enrolled as a full-time student in an Illinois educational institution for the fall of 2022. You must provide an official educational institution transcript to validate your fall enrollment for 2022. Please be sure to answer the questions below to determine your eligibility. Are you a City of Chicago resident? How many people are in your household? Identify all people who occupy your home regardless of relationship. You must submit information for all household members. What was your household income in the month of July 2022? Will you be enrolled in a tuition-based institution or higher education in the state of Illinois to obtain a degree or certificate? Also, provide your address. Once you complete this page, you would then start including your household information, starting off with your student info. You'll submit your name, last name, date of birth, social security number, disabling condition. If you have a disabling condition, identify your condition. Have you experienced domestic violence in the last 6 months? Includes your address, city, state, zip code, home phone number, and cell phone if available, email address, gender, race, ethnicity, your primary language, and secondary language if it applies. Military status, if you are a veteran or not. Your work status, health insurance, income support, income source, and non-cash benefits. For income source, please check all areas that apply. For non-cash benefits, please check all areas that apply. Please identify your housing type, your family type, and your total household monthly income. Please identify number of youths in household ages 14 to 24 who are neither working or in school. The name of your school, school city, your student ID, education program, grade level, graduation month, your degree type, and your graduation year. Scroll a little bit down to include your documents of your identification, social security card, or ID affidavits. First, identify the document type that you're uploading, upload the documents. If you're missing identification, such as your Illinois state ID, Illinois driver's license or city key card, or you do not have a social security card, you can complete an ID affidavit and upload the affidavit. Make sure the affidavit has signatures and dates. Further down, you need to complete the release of information. You must agree to the release of information in order to proceed with the application. Please be sure to place your name, social security number, email address, and again, your school ID number, your name for your signature, and the date. Once you complete this whole page, you may save and move next, or if you choose to, save and log out and come back to the application. After you save and move next, you will then put in your family members, household members information. You will have a tab where it says family member for each additional household member. So remember to click on each additional tab to include the family members' demographics. You will include the name, middle name and last name, date of birth, social security number. If the household family member has a disabling condition, please identify the condition. If the address is the same, check this box and the address will automatically be generated. Home phone number, cell phone number, email address, gender, race, ethnicity, primary language, secondary language, if there is one, military status, work status, health insurance, income support. Income source, again, check all areas that apply. Non-cash benefits, check all areas that apply. For each household member tab, you'll upload the household member's identification and social security card. If they're children under the age of 18 years of age, identification is not required. But social security cards are required for all household members. If any household members are missing an identification or social security card, an ID affidavit must be signed and dated. After completing this information, you will save and move to next, or save and go back to the top of the page for each additional household members. Family income. Proof of family household income for the last 4 weeks of July, from July 1st, 2022 through July 31st of 2022 is required for the 2022 CSBG scholarship application. Payroll check receipts or unemployment receipts for the past 4 weeks of July 1st through July 31st. Social Security, SSDI, SSI, or Plebiscite letter documenting monthly or yearly allotment. All family members 18 years of age or older and those younger than 18 years of age receiving a sustainable income such as SSI for a medical condition are required to provide income documentation, or a no income or no proof of income affidavit is required. The no income and no proof of income affidavit must be witnessed by anyone who knows the applicant may be the witness. No income affidavits also must include a statement of financial support. The result would be at least one document upload per family member for your application. So if you have 3 family members with no income, there should be 3 no income affidavits included. To upload all family members' income, you'll identify if the income is a check stub or other income. If they don't have income or no proof of income, you'll include the income affidavit. Once all items are uploaded, you'll be able to save and log out and return to your application at a later time, or save and move next. Student documents. Upload the following documents before submitting your application. Essay, minimum of 300 words. If you were awarded a scholarship with an essay previously, you must submit a different essay or you will be disqualified. Letter of recommendation. The writer of the letter of recommendation may come from school, work, extracurricular activity, church or house of worship activity environments. The recommendation letter must be on accompanying letterhead from the business, church, or school and signed by the endorser, as well as having their phone number. Financial aid status. Current financial aid awards from all sources, including those obtained from completing the free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA. If you are not eligible for financial aid, you must write a statement affirming that you are not eligible for financial aid and the reason for your ineligibility. Acceptance letter from the school you are attending the fall of 2022. The acceptance letter is not required if you are currently attending the institution, or an explanation as to why an acceptance letter is not included. The following will be uploaded by a program administrator, but is required during the application review. Your official transcripts. No copies of transcripts or unofficial transcripts will be accepted. With proper postage affixed to official transcript mail or delivered to the following address: Chicago Department of Family and Sport Services. 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. Attention Delina Bailey. 1615 West Chicago Avenue. Second floor, Chicago, Illinois, 60622. Transcripts are due in the office listed above no later than 5 p.m. on Friday, August 26, 2022. If you have any questions, please call 312-747-0327. Incomplete applications will not be reviewed, and they will not be eligible for the 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. When uploading your documents, please identify the document type you are uploading. Once all your items are uploaded, you may save and return to your application or save and move next. Signature. Before signing and submitting for your application, please read the signature page and identify that you fully understand that incomplete applications which do not include all required documents listed under the application checklist will not be reviewed and will not be eligible for the 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. And that you understand that there are no exceptions to this policy. Please date and sign. Again, transcripts are due in the office listed above no later than 5 p.m. on Friday, August 26, 2022. If you have any questions, please call 312-747-0327. Incomplete applications will not be reviewed and will not be eligible for the 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. After completing the signature page, you may save and return to your application or submit your application. Now we will continue with the PowerPoint presentation. Submittal of the City of Chicago CSBG Scholarship. Applications are due no later than 11:59 Friday, August 26. Remember, official transcripts must be mailed, delivered, and postdated on or before August 26, 2022. Transcripts can be mailed to Chicago Department of Family and Sport Services, 2022 CSBG Scholarship Program. Attention, Delina Bailey. 1615 West Chicago Avenue, second floor, Chicago, Illinois, 60622. If you have questions, please email dfsscsbgscholarship@cityofchicago.org. You have gathered all the items and the requirements for the CSBG scholarship, and you have completed an essay. Now you have the primary tools needed to apply for other scholarships. Other websites for scholarships are www.fastweb.com, where you create a profile and fill out the information. www.finaid.org, use the search button to identify scholarships that meet your needs. www.scholarshipexperts.com, search by category. www.scholarships.com, you'll also create a profile. And www.scholarshipsonline.org, search by category, keyword, and deadlines. Thank you for reviewing the tutorial and webinar for the 2022 CSBG Scholarship Application. We look forward to reviewing your application for the 2022 CSBG Scholarship.